day. Buddy, I want you to like
Buck out.
come on. Stop swiveling. You stop. Okay.
No!
That was so close.
First,
Oh!
first try on camera, and that.
It just slipped.
It just fell. God.
Oh my lord.
Ugh.
I like it gets difficult because
That's
when
what-
we hit the fan, it starts moving a bit.
That's what, so what you did, you landed it on top of the fan? That's what I was talking about.
Yeah, I landed on top and then it just decided to slip.
Wow, that blends in perfectly with the rug.
Oh yeah, it does. I don't know what your plan was.
Yes. Oh!
Dude, it like grinded it.
He really did. It was like twisting on top. Ooh, that was close. Either aim for on top or aim
I'm
for like hooking it.
I'm like aiming for both.
How's that even possible?
I don't know.
Dang it.
What?
Yes! Yes! Oh yeah! It's still on!
God.
Try and get it on, try and get it on.
Okay.
Without making this
Dude,
fall.
you're thinking.
Oh my god.
It's going fast.
Oh no.
It may not look fast, but it is going fast.
Let me stop it.
Come on.
No. Wait.
Come on.
Okay, come on. Come on. Please.
Why are you spinning backwards?
No.
That's gonna make it more difficult.
Okay. Please don't fall. Oh my god.
Dude. Just make it on. Dude.
Make it on.
On. Dude.
No way! Both! We got it both on a hook and on top!